going on, everybody? Today I've got some 2018 Topps Gold Label Baseball. These are pretty small boxes that won't last very long. Guess I'll go ahead and do two separate videos anyways. Total of 33 cards per box. Look for Golden Greats framed autograph relics, so you get one of those per box. There are the odds. So it looks like the easiest thing to get is the Class 1 parallel black 1 and 2 packs, blue 1 and 14, red 1 and 28, and then it gets kind of crazy from there. The Class 2 parallels start at 1 and 20, so it looks to be quite similar to the 2016 and 17 versions. I don't think Topps has made much change to it, other than to the checklist, of course. Alright, let's get in here and look at this. Hopefully you will get a good autograph since there is only one. Let's see how many packs we got here, and if we can tell, should be able to tell which one has the autograph, because the frame weighs a good bit. Not that. Nope. 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 Yep. Nope. Nope. Alright. Let's check these out first. Hopefully we can pull a couple of good rookies, maybe rookie parallel. That is a Class 2 Ian Happ. Not numbered. Class 1 Felix Hernandez. Class 2 McMahon rookie. Class 1 Strasburg, and a Class 1 Bo Jackson. These look similar to previous years too. Here's a Class 2 Verlander. Class 3 DeGrom. Here is a Class 2 Hank Aaron, numbered to 99, blue parallel. A nice card. J.P. Crawford rookie, Class 1, and Randy Johnson, big unit, Class 1. Kershaw, Class 2. Don Mattingly, 1. Cabrera 1, Walker Buehler rookie, Class 1, and a Jeter, Class 1. Alright, Scherzer, Class 2, Votto, Class 3. Greinke 1, Sale, and Bench, all Class 1. Rizzo, Class 2. Mariano Rivera, Class 3. Nolan Ryan, Class 1. Frank Thomas, Class 1, and Goldschmidt. Alright, our last non-hit pack. Benintendi, Class 2. Here's a Gleyber Torres rookie, Class 1. Benintendi, Class 3 to 50. Nice super short print there. Mancini and Maddox. And now we will check out this hit and see who we got. Alright, starting off with another Gleyber. This is Class 3 though, so that's nice. And Yu Darvish, Class 1, and our autograph is a Dustin Fowler to 75. So definitely not one of the top pulls for sure. Luckily these boxes do not cost a fortune, so it's not too bad. Good looking card. I love the weight that this metal has, so pretty cool. Nothing crazy. The two Gleyber Torres autographs are nice, and both of my numbered parallels were good players, so that helps offset the fact that the autograph's not so great. That's it for box 1. Watch for me to post box 2 tomorrow. Everybody take care. Hope you're doing well.